Welcome to Mr. D's video shop. Pow! Alright, here we are at homework 60. For the following equation, provide 3 points that would work and 2 that would not work. So you got y equals 2x minus 8. So I did my own problem, and what form is this in? It's slope-intercept. So now, how do you find ones that work? All you first need to do is establish what your x's are. Of course, the easier one is 0, 1, and then you could go 2. I'm going to do a random one and do 4. All right? You can even do negative numbers. Now, 0, when x is 0, that's our y-intercept. We know it's in slope-intercept form. It's 15. But the other way you can do that is you plug it in. So it's negative 3 times 0 plus 15. What's negative 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 15 equals 15. So that's how I get it. So now I plug in 1. I could do negative 3 times 1 plus 15. So that's negative 3 plus 15. Negative 3 plus 15 equals 12. That's 12. Now the other way you could do that is if you're going up by 1, you know that's the slope. For every 1, it goes down negative 3. So I said 15 minus 3 is 12. You can continue the pattern if you wanted to keep going, so it's not that hard. Now, for 4, I would plug it in. Negative 3 times 4. Because that's x. You see how I just made it? So now I add 15 to it because that's part of the equation. Now I'm solving for y after I plug in. So this is negative 12 plus 15. When you're adding opposites, you subtract. 12 from 15 is 3. The bigger number is 15. It's positive, so it's 3. And there's my answer. So those are the ones that work. All right, so not work. This is easy. You could just take ones, x's that you've done, such as 1. I've created 1. You know 1's supposed to be 12, so I'm just going to write 20. That can't work because we already know it's 112. So I can choose, 4. I'm going to write just negative 100. It's very easy because I can see 4 is supposed to equal 3, so ones that wouldn't work is negative 100. So that's how you can do it. Now, another way you could check is if they gave you points, you plug them in to see what works and what doesn't. So, for example, if they gave us a point of 5, 2, all right, I'm going to plug in 5. So negative 5, negative 3 times 5 plus 15. All right, so this is negative 15 plus 15, and when you add opposites, 0. They got 0, what did you get? It's 2. Does that match? No. So you also know from trying out that's not a point that works. So I could also put that down as a point that does not work. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. Made this a little bit longer video, but hopefully it now makes more sense to you. All right, we out.